Hello, what's up guys, it's Gary here and you're watching G4 Gadget. Are you looking for a laptop light enough to bring to anywhere to work? Nah, forget about laptops. They are too bulky and heavy anyways. Today, I will be introducing to you the HUAWEI MatePad 12X, which is a portable and durable lightweight tablet that has PC level productivity that comes with a keyboard, a stylus, and a mouse. Let's check it out. The HUAWEI MatePad 12X weighs at 555 grams and its thickness is 5.9 mm only, which is only half the size of a common laptop. Great for bringing it out to anywhere you want. Bundled together with the keyboard and it weighs at 863 grams only. Still feels very light. While being so lightweight, it actually comes with a large 10,100 mAh of battery, lasting up to 14 hours of local video playback. It supports 66 watt turbo fast charging and can be fully charged in 85 minutes only with the bundled charger. Let's move on to the star of the show, PC level productivity. Hardware-wise, the HUAWEI MatePad 12X comes with a smart magnetic keyboard with HUAWEI M Pencil 3rd generation support and mouse input support. The keyboard feels good to type on, with literally no differences than typing on a laptop. It does feel like using a portable PC while being thinner, with the added benefit of a touchscreen with stylus input. What about software, you might ask? No worries, cause the HUAWEI MatePad 12X has a free PC-level WPS Office software, including Word, PPT, and Excel. They are not the same as those mobile version apps with limited functions, but rather give you the full PC-like experience with the same UI and UX. Moreover, did I mention that it is 100% free and 100% compatible with Office 365? Let's see them in action. This is the PPT app with all the functions I will find in a PC version, like the top and bottom toolbar, using the mouse to pinpoint everything, edit all the elements, align objects and text, zoom in to see the content, and slideshow presentation. For the Word app, it is the exact same thing as using it on a PC. Typing a long essay in the full Word app on a physical keyboard really increases my productivity level. You can also insert formulas in it which can't be found on the mobile version. There's also Excel, where you can create charts with quick layouts, convenient for making reports. Floating multi-window is supported on the MatePad 12X, so you can multitask easily or cross-check with references from any websites. HUAWEI Notes is another productivity tool found on the MatePad 12X. This app enables you to jot down notes quickly with the HUAWEI M Pencil, useful for recording any important agendas set in a meeting. You can also make 2 notes at the same time thanks to the split screen feature. Capturing audio while typing or writing notes and playback them together to not miss anything is a great feature too. After finished writing, you can also change the color with a lasso to distinguish between different points, or search for your handwriting to find a certain note. The HUAWEI MatePad 12X comes with a 12-inch screen with 2.8K resolution and 144 Hz of refresh rate, plus 1000 nits of peak brightness for those sunny situations. Not only that, It is a paper matte display, which means there will be minimal glares and reflections from direct light hitting on it. It also feels smooth to the touch with paper-like texture, perfect for writing and drawing. It has 4 eye protection certifications, so it will not strain your eyes when looking at it for a long time. The Huawei MatePad 12X comes in 2 colors, greenery and white. It has this natural mica powder back, reflecting light in a beautiful sand-like texture. The camera module doesn't protrude much and is a minimalist design. The Huawei MatePad 12X looks simple yet luxurious, while being youthful and unique. Artists out there, Huawei has not abandoned you. Their self-developed professional drawing app, GoPaint, offers 150 plus types of brushes, 80 plus pre-setting brushes, canvas up to 10 types, and up to 655 layers. There's also made for Malaysia batik drawing feature, plus fluid brush and splatter brush effects. The GoPaint app paired with Huawei M Pencil 3rd generation with 10,000 plus pressure sensing levels connected using near-link wireless technology makes it stand out in the sea of drawing tablets. I'm no artist, but I really enjoyed drawing on the MatePad 12X paper matte display, which feels like scribbling on a real paper. Speaking of the GoPaint app, the Huawei app gallery on the MatePad 12X is able to download, install, and run most widely used apps like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Netflix, and even Google apps like YouTube, Gmail, Google Maps, Google Drive, and more. You won't need to worry about the lack of any productivity or entertainment apps. So, if you're looking for a beautifully designed and lightweight tablet, look no further than the Huawei MatePad 12X. It is so portable and so durable, which feels like a real PC. You can pre-order the Huawei MatePad 12X now with free gifts worth up to 2,624 ringgit, including Smart Magnetic Keyboard, Huawei M Pencil 3rd Gen, Huawei Mouse, Huawei FreeBuds 5, Huawei Backpack, and 1 year of screen protection, plus 200 ringgit worth of early bird voucher. What do you think about the Huawei MatePad 12X? Leave a comment down below and share your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to G4 Gadget for latest tech news. See you guys next time. Bye!